Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are making a perfect omelette. First of all, we crack our egg, make sure don't put some shells, and always omelette we have some vegetables, fillings, that is onion, green pepper, red and yellow capsicum. When we're done, we just give it a whisk, a very good whisk, put some salt for seasoning, give it another whisk until it's well whisked. When doing omelettes or an egg, use a non-stick pan like just mine. Then we just pour in our mixture and we wait it for around 1 minute before turning. Ensure that you don't overcook your omelette. You can fry your omelette by using butter or corn oil. And remember, omelette you can just put your fillings like ham, any other vegetables. After that, you just turn it over and your omelette is ready. Perfect omelette, easy, wheezy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.